Ikinagulat nga ng lahat ang naging asal ni Alice Goo sa Senate hearing kung saan napansin ng lahat na tila habang tumatagal nga daw ay tila hindi na nito sineseryoso ang ilang mambabatas at kampanteng-kampante ito dahil alam niyang mapapawalang sala siya dahil sa mga big boss nito na ayon sa balita ay malalaking politiko sa bansa. Narito panoorin ang video kung paano tinrato si Alice ang ilang mambabatas.
Mayor Alice, huwag mong sayangin yung pagkakataon na ito. Naniniwala ako, matalino kang babae. Mahal mo ang bayan ng Bamban. Pinaghirapan mo kung ano meron ka. Walang sino man na makatutulong sa'yo kung hindi kami mga congressman nandito. Pasensya na sa mga abogado mo. Sa amin ka makinig sa pagkakataon na ito. Kung ano yung nararamdaman ng puso mo, yun ang sundin mo. Huwag mo munang paingin yung dalawang abogado sa kaliwat kanan mo na yan. Mayor Alice, are you willing to reveal everything kapag pinibigyan tayo, Mr. Chairman, ng executive session?
Your Honor, if ever po mapagbigyan po ako ng Mr. Chairman po para sa executive session, sasabihin ko po lahat ng totoo at walang kulang, walang dagdag po. Yung mga akusasyon po na sinasabi po nila na marami po akong alam sa ganito, yung mga hindi po totoo, wala rin po ako talaga masasabi. Ang masasabi ko lang po kung ano lang po yung alam ko po.
Without naming names, Alice, ano yung sasabihin mo sa amin? Paki-enumerate mo lang kung ano yung sasabihin mo para mapag-isipan namin kung ikaw ay karapat-dapat mabigyan ng executive session. Ano yung sasabihin mo sa amin? Anong mga ibubunyag mo sa executive session?
Mr. Chair, ano po yung question po na alam ko pong sasagutin ko po lahat.
Halimbawa, tanungin ka ngayon ni Congressman Pascual, sinong opisyal ng PNP o ng local government ang tumulong magpataka sa iyo?
Your Honor, wala pong local government, wala rin pong PNP.
Okay, please proceed, Congressman Pascual.
Alam mo, Mayor Alice, ano ang karapatan ng mga foreigner na patakasin ka dito? Ano kapangyarihan nila dito para itakas ka? Napaka-imposible naman yan na walang local official na kasabwat ng pagtakas mo.
Your Honor, dahil wala naman po talagang ako nakausap para sa pag-alis po namin, kaya hindi rin po ako pwede mag-fabricate din po.
Wala kang nakausap? Sino ang kumausap sa mga local official dito?
Your Honor, isang tao lang po kausap ko po, pero wala po akong kausap na any local po.
Sino yung isang tao na yung nakausap mo, Mayor Alice?
Your Honor, yan po yung sinasabi ko po na ayaw ko pong sabihin po sa public.
Foreigner ba yan o Pilipino?
Yung kausap ko po, foreigner po.
Wala nga mangyayari pagkakaganyan.
Okay, so we all agree that we will not grant her an executive session.
Alice Goo, you're not answering the query of the good congressman. At tinatanong niya, yung kaso mo na nakadetain ka. Anong kaso mo?
Bailable ba o hindi? Bailable, tama?
Yung sa ombudsman po.
Available. Ang pangalawang tanong ko sa iyo, bakit hindi kayo nagbe-bail? Bailable pala.
Your Honor, hinintayin din po namin yung lumabas po yung isang kaso po.
You're not answering the query. Bakit hindi kayo nag-bail? Magkano bang bail ban supposedly? Magkano?
Mr. Chair, okay lang po. Tanong ko lang po sa lawyer.
Tanungin mo, magkano bail ban, Mr. Lawyer? Magkano? Mr. Lawyer, magkano lang? Magkano bail ban?
190 po.
Magkano?
190,000.
190?
180,000.
180,000? And then you did not bail out? Hindi ka nag-bail?
Mr. Chair, may ibang mga
ano?
Contempt pa rin daw pong iba, kaya...
Hindi. Ito. With the indulgence again of...
Yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Hindi.
Congressman Paduano.
a deliberate move to you, from you, with your lawyer, na hindi kayo nag-bail kasi mas gusto mong nakadetain doon sa PNP Custodial Facility. Kaya hindi kayo nag-bail. Ayun yung totoong kwento doon. Huwag na tayo maglokohan dito. Again, you're lying. Because the real reason why you did bail out, because you want to be detained doon sa PNP Custodial Center. Again, you're lying. Oh. Di ba? Simpleng-simple. Alice Go, billions. Tapos hindi makapag-bail ng 180,000? Oh, you're fooling this country. You're fooling the Filipino people. And with that, Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Kong Doming, I move to cite Alice Go in contempt. In violation of our Section 11, Paragraph C. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion to cite Alice Go, aka Go Waping, in contempt for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And this is duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Alice Go, aka Go Waping, is cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman, my second motion will be Alice Go will be detained in the period until the committee report of this investigation will be adopted in the plenary. Question of jurisdiction, because Alice Go is now in the custody of PNP Custodial Center, will be discussed after this hearing, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion to detain Alice Go in the
Contempt order sa kanya, Mr. Chairman, period of until the committee report of this investigation will be adopted in the plenary of this 19th Congress, Mr. Chairman. And question of jurisdiction or detention of Ms. Alice Go will be discussed in relation to the present custody of Ms. Alice Go after this hearing, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
So
there is a motion to detain Alice Go, aka Go Waping, until the committee, the Quad Committee, terminates this hearing, and
Mr. Chairman.
pending the result of the jurisdiction, the issue of jurisdiction. This is duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Dan Fernandez.
We'll be asking our Sergeant at Arms to coordinate with the PNP officials who have secured Ms. Alice Go to coordinate and to hold her in abeyance while the Quadcom, after the suspension of this hearing, will be meeting up in order to find out the jurisdiction of Ms. Alice Go, whether we will be putting her back on the PNP premises or in the House of Representatives.
Pending the decision as to the jurisdiction
Yes.
of the detention, the implementation of the detention of Miss Alice Go, the House cited her in contempt until the House Quad Committee completes or terminates its committee hearing on the issue of the illegal pogos.
Mr. Chair,
And
Mr. Chair,
I'm not done yet.
Congressman Abante?
Yes, I'm not done yet. And also, Mr. Chairman, may we ask also the Sergeant at Arms to tell us how many more rooms are available for, if ever, that we will be deciding to put the jurisdiction of Ms. Alice Go in our premises. Still, we have. And while waiting, Mr. Chairman, I'll be asking a while ago yung sa what do you call that, executive session that Miss Alice Go was asking. I'll be giving you a piece of paper, Miss Alice Go. I hope that you will be able to read this and try to tell us in the affirmative or in negative, ano? Yung tumulong sa iyo na tao, no, na Chinese, para at least kung wala man tayong executive session, we will be able to know kung sino sana. Ha? Sige, I'll be giving this piece of paper to you.
Tapos ka na?
Yes,
Mr.
thank
Chair.
you.
Congressman Abante.
Can we just hear perhaps Miss Alice Go would like to say something that can we just hear a statement from her what she would like to tell us this Quadcom. Let us give her a chance. Let us give her a chance, Mr. Chair, for her to give her own statement.
A statement on, if I may ask, Your Honor, what statement are we requiring Alice Go to make?
Whatever she would like to say, and perhaps she would like to reveal something. Perhaps, Mr. Chair, she would like to say na ginamit lang po ako, may gumamit po sa akin, hindi po talaga totoo na ako ay kasama dito. Let's just hear her make that statement, just to give her a chance. Mr.
Narinig
Chair.
mo ba yon, Alice, yung ano yung sinabi ni Congressman Abante? If you want to make a statement, you're given 2 minutes only. Please avail of that 2 minutes. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa committee?
Mr. Chair, medyo gulong-gulo po ako ngayon. Okay lang din po na makausap ko po muna yung lawyer ko po.
Sige, 10 seconds.
Opo, thank you po.
There was an interjection made where there was a request that Miss Alice Go be made to say something before the Quad. Perhaps something that she would request the committee, or maybe something that she will reveal to the committee. So, Alice, meron kang 2 minuto para sabihin sa amin kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin, as requested by Congressman Abante. Kung wala naman, okay lang din, so we can proceed with the last question of Congressman Pascual. Meron kang sasabihin? Wala.
Mr. Chair, as of the moment po, wala po ako naisip. Pero kanina po, regarding po doon sa question po ni Kong Paduano po, na kung bakit di po ako nagbe-bail po. Dahil po na rin na may contempt order din po ako sa Senate, at sabay-sabay na lang po pag na-leave na po. Yun po. Sorry po.
A while ago, I
Congressman
asked
Fernandez.
Miss Alice Go, since executive session was not permitted by this body, to write in this piece of paper the names of those who helped her. May I have the liberty or no? But these are all part of the corporations. They are not part of the corporations. But they you can use your mic. But they used to live here in this country as well.
Part of the corporation, pero wag na lang po muna i-reveal sa public.
They were a part of the corporation before.
Yeah, part of the until now.
Until now. But they're not here anymore.
Not in the Philippines right now.
With this information, Mr. Chairman, I think it's imperative for us to look for these personalities as well. Since we haven't have the chance to have an executive session with Alice Go, I think this will help us as well, Mr. Chairman. If not, then so be it. So I made my manifestation, Mr.
Okay,
Chairman. Thank you so much.
Salamat, Congressman Dan Fernandez. That was short and quick.